In this video, I'll replace the control arms on our 2007 Toyota Yaris. You can see the part number on the screen. Before taking the wheel off though, remove the axle nut. It's a lot easier to remove with the car on the ground. Okay, let's get the wheel off and then jack the car up. After that, you're gonna need to remove the caliper as well as the rotor and then knock out the CV axle. If you would like to see how this is done, you can check out our CV axle replacement video. With the axle removed, you'll have the knuckle hanging on the ball joint and the tie rod end. You'll need to get some sort of a tool that will allow you to press out the ball joint from the knuckle. Here I used a gear puller, but they also sell pitman arm pullers and other tools of that kind. With the ball joint separated, you'll now need to remove 2 bolts. Looking at the control arm from the front of the car, you have a horizontal bolt near the front and then a vertical bolt near the back. Remove those and make sure to apply a lot of penetrant or some sort of greasy thing to help it slip and slide. After removing the rear vertical bolt, you might have a hard time pulling it out just by yanking it. There's actually a channel in here, so you need to push it out and then to the left and then pull. But is once you pry it loose, you just kind of shake it from the top there, and then you're wanting to like push out and down so that way it can wiggle out. And then I'm gonna have to move this up and out of the way, so then this will just twist outwards. Okay, we got it in. So I put some polyurethane grease on there, but really what needed to happen is that it has to go far back enough. In order to get the right angle, you need to be able to spin this way. Take your time and try not to get frustrated. This job can take a while. You just have to get the angles right. For me, it helped to put the knuckle at the highest point of the tie rod end and then rest it on top of a jack stand. Once you have that rear one in though, the front one's really easy. Then you can slip the knuckle back onto the ball joint. Make sure you torque everything to spec, and if you have a cotter pin, you install it. Now you know how to replace the control arms on your Toyota Yaris. If you want to see more videos on how to fix your car, you can check this out. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.